What up, everybody? Pokemon Master 2.0 here, back with another video. And today I'm unboxing a Fidget Cube. Right here. A Fidget Cube. And a Fidget Spinner. If you guys don't know, I already have a white one and a green one. And now is my third one, a black one. So first, let's open the Fidget Cube. So I'll be back, guys, in a few seconds. Alright, guys, I'm back. So now let's unbox a Fidget Cube. I've never opened one of these before. How do you open this? Rip it. Oh, it's green and black. It's my favorite color. Stickers. Whoa. Feels soft and cool. So this is like a joystick, a switch. Ooh, I like that. You can put your thumb in here. Buttons. This makes noise. These three make noise. These ones are silent. What? Never mind. I'll make noise. That's weird. So that's this. And now there's these. The ball. There's these. And I think that's it. Yep, that's it. This is pretty cool. And now, let's put the spinner. Let's see. Feels pretty soft. Feels cool. Whoa. So these are the two things in today's video. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for future videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.